Ethereum value sort of equivalent to $1,752.99 a coin, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, $1,745.07–$1,759.98 in an essentially significant way. The earlier day close, $1,752.48 in an unobtrusive way. The change explicitly was plus 0.51, plus 0.03% in an especially significant way. Reverse rate, USD to ETH in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $1,669. Beautiful most extreme $1,786, exceptionally least $1,552, which in a real sense is very critical. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $1,664. For the most part greatest $1,780, certainly least $1,548 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $1,677, greatest $1,794, lovely least $1,560, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $1,629, truly greatest $1,743, lovely least $1,515, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $1,696, truly greatest $1,815, truly least $1,577 in a genuinely significant way. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $1,625, especially most extreme $1,739, sort of least $1,511 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $1,623, essentially most extreme $1,737, especially least $1,509. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $1,610, in every practical sense, most extreme $1,723, sort of least $1,497 in an especially enormous manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $1,649, sort of greatest $1,764, lovely least $1,534, which fundamentally is very huge. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost $1,638, truly most extreme $1,753, least $1,523, which is very critical. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $1,615, exceptionally greatest $1,728, truly least $1,502 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $1,622, most extreme $1,736, essentially least $1,508 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $1,608, most extreme $1,721, especially least $1,495, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 29, cost $1,677, especially greatest $1,794 in every practical sense, least $1,560 in an exceptionally enormous way. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $1,679, most extreme $1,797, really least $1,561, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, July 3, cost $1,700, really most extreme $1,819, essentially least $1,581 in an every practical sense, significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $1,706, sort of most extreme $1,825, essentially least $1,587, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost $1,656, especially greatest $1,772, sort of least $1,540 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost $1,689, truly greatest $1,807, certainly least $1,571 in a huge way. Ethereum gauge on Friday, July 7, cost $1,701, really most extreme $1,820, by and large least $1,582 in an unpretentious manner. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $1,687, most certainly greatest $1,805, kind of least $1,569 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $1,694, especially greatest $1,813, truly least $1,575, which especially is very huge. USD to ETH conversion standard kind of equivalent to 0.5705 coins per $1,000 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S-reach 0.5682 minus 0.5730 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 0.5706, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.0001, 0.02%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 0.599 coins. Really most extreme 0.644, truly least 0.560 in an essentially large way. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.601 coins, especially greatest 0.646, especially least 0.562. So Ethereum figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $16.64, extremely greatest $17.80 in every practical sense, least $15.48 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.596 coins, sort of most extreme 0.641, especially least 0.557, which essentially is very huge. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 0.614 coins, for the most part greatest 0.660, by and large least 0.574, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 0.590 coins, genuinely greatest 0.634, kind of least 0.551 in a sort of enormous manner. In multi-week USD to ETH forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 0.615 coins, lovely greatest 0.662, beautiful least 0.575 in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.616 coins, especially greatest 0.663, exceptionally least 0.576, exhibiting that the change basically was plus 0.51, plus 0.03% in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 0.621 coins, really greatest 0.668, most certainly least 0.580 in an essentially enormous manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 22, cost 0.606 coins, by and large greatest 0.652, truly least 0.567, showing how the past day, s nearby 0.5706, which for the most part is genuinely critical. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, June 23, cost 0.611 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.657, kind of least 0.570 in an essentially enormous manner. In about 14 days, dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 26, cost 0.619 coins, greatest 0.666, really least 0.579, which for the most part is genuinely huge. USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 0.617 coins, by and large most extreme 0.663, genuinely least 0.576, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, June 28, cost 0.622 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.669, kind of least 0.581. Sort of additional appearance how in multi